6 days in a row now, we have a tie between Barack Obama and Hillary Clinton among Democrats nationally. Actually, Hillary Clinton's been ahead by 1 point over the last couple of days. This certainly marks a change. Prior to that, for about a month, going all the way back until mid-March, we had Barack Obama ahead, most of the time by statistically significant margins. What happened? Well, of course, there were 3 events. There was the Philadelphia debate. Some observers said Barack Obama didn't do as well as expected there. Then we had, of course, the results in Pennsylvania. Hillary Clinton won by a little over 9 points. And since then, Barack Obama, at least as far as news and media accounts are concerned, has been embroiled in controversy surrounding his erstwhile minister, the Reverend Jeremiah Wright. So all of this combined looks like it has had an impact. Barack Obama has lost his front-runner status nationally among Democrats and now is at the point where he and Hillary Clinton are tied. What's next on the agenda? Democratic voters in North Carolina and Indiana go to the polls, and all bets are off. Will Hillary Clinton be able to actually move into the lead, or will Barack Obama reclaim his lead among Democrats nationally? All this is important, of course, because superdelegates are trying to make up their minds, and if one candidate or the other has the lead nationally among rank-and-file Democrats, it could influence the vote of superdelegates. I'm Dr. Frank Newport, editor-in-chief of the Gallup Poll.